Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Buick Enclave Essence. This is the all-wheel drive with the 1SL package. I can't tell you how much this is because right now it has the transport window sticker on, which doesn't tell me price, it doesn't tell me color, it doesn't tell me anything. What I can tell you is this one has the sports touring trim. That's what the ST stands for. And it's a really nice spec. I do believe this is cherry red tint coat, but over this nice blue interior. Ooh. It is so cold out today. Pretty nice vehicle in all honesty. I like how everything's kind of driver focused. Materials are pretty nice given the price point, which this one's probably going to be around 40 to 50,000. This is not hard plastic. It is kind of a rubberized leather that is in fact soft touch. This is real leather. This is hard plastic up here, but soft touch all through here. So anywhere where your hand is gonna touch is all soft touch. Down here is hard plastic, but I think that's because of the airbag. I think this one has knee airbags, I'm 99% sure. Fitted with the 3.6 V6. Oh, even this is soft touch for the most part. That's pretty cool. Leather wrapped wheel. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead up and over. That's for reverse. Push up and hold for neutral. Down for drive. Hit it again for low. And once you're in low, you can use these paddles behind the wheel. But we'll be in drive. You also can shut traction control off. If you hold it, it shuts off stability. You can do all-wheel drive mode. And then your two drive modes, Tour and Tow Haul. We'll be driving in Tour. Without further ado, let's go ahead and take this Enclave for a drive. Based on the same exact platform as the Traverse, Chevrolet Traverse, of course. I'm a huge fan of the Traverse, which therefore makes me an even bigger fan of the more luxurious Enclave. All the materials in here are just a step above the Traverse. And the driving experience, it's a little bit more refined. In a way, it's a little bit more relaxed, whereas the Traverse kind of has a sporty feel to it. This one's kind of a little bit more relaxed, more focused on being luxurious. However, this one has the paddle shifter, so it's kind of counterintuitive. I do think this one looks better than the Traverse. The Traverse still looks good, but this one does look just a little bit better, especially in the sport touring trim. Yeah, it's just a really overall great package to drive. Really powerful too. I think it's like 305 horsepower from the V6. Same V6 as what's in the Camaro. Do believe this is the 9-speed automatic. Again, I can't say 100%. Well, actually I can. Put it into low. Yeah, 9-speed. Now, a lot of times for cars first in the model year, they'll ship them with those window stickers because they technically start building them before they finalize all the exact numbers and stuff like that. So it says right on the sticker, it's there for shipping purposes because when you ship a new car, it has to have a window sticker. one of those weird rules, but then what they'll do is they'll ship the sticker itself to us through the mail. The paddles are really designed for like downhill engine braking. They're not designed to be used on track or anything like that. Matter of fact, low mode is more of a gear limiter. It's not gonna restrict the car to a certain gear. So for example, if I put it in low with gear 9, it's not going to start off in 9th gear. Overall, it is really, really fun to drive. Even though it's not as sporty as the Traverse, it's still very, very fun, pretty quick for the segment, and is overall just an absolute joy to drive. Whenever we get one in, I always make sure to take it out and film it, just because it's such a joy to drive these things. They're just so luxurious, so nice. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next one.